Students, I will do practical today. I hope you will perform the practical at your home as lockdown is there and college is not reopened. Use of audio on the web pages using HTML5. Create a web page audio.html with controls. Audio will play as soon as the web page loads in the browser and it will start over again every time. Now let's move on to code. Open Notepad text editor. Doctype HTML declaration statement followed by HTML tag. Inside that you will open head tag, then title, give title, close title tag, head tag. Inside body tag you will type audio code tag. You will give source with src and write down the name of the audio file with extension. Controls attribute will add controls to the audio. Then add auto start to start the audio on the page load. Then close body tag, HTML tag and save the file. In the folder with the name audio.html. After that you will take the source for the audio. You will go to my computer and type here star.mp3 and copy one audio. Paste it in the same folder where your audio file is present. You will run the file to check the output. Here audio is displayed on the page. Now second part is to create another web page with name audio1.html, which provides multiple file formats for the same audio file. You will again open another notepad. I am copying the basic structure. File, new, give the title audio 1. Inside audio tag, to add source, you will use source tag, src, ding.mp3, then give title type as audio/mp3. Copy this source tag and paste it twice. You will change the audio file format to WAV. And one more to .ogg. After that, you will close the audio. Close body tag and then HTML. Now save this file as audio1.html in the folder. Now go to the folder and run the file. You will run the file in the browser Chrome. You will add one more audio in the folder. For that, you will search the audio file with star.wav extension. Go to the folder and paste another audio file here. Now you will display the output. You will go to the notepad and type a message if the browser doesn't support audio format. Your browser does not support audio file. This message will be displayed if none of these file formats are supported in the browser. We will add one more attribute here, control. This is to display the console of the audio screen. Now we'll save it and see the output in the browser. The audio screen is visible now.